Yeah, hi Akansha.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for asking, and I hope you are doing well too.
Yeah, I'm also doing good. Thank you.
So, before jumping into the conversation, because we are meeting for the very first time, so would you mind introducing yourself?
Sure. So thank you for giving me such a good opportunity. So let me introduce myself. So my name is Prashant. I'm based out of Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm working in the software field from last 9 years. And apart from that, whenever I get free time, I love traveling and hang out with friends. That's a little bit about myself.
It's an amazing introduction, and now I'll give my introduction. So, as you know, my name is Akanksha. Originally from Uttarakhand, but currently residing in Delhi. And I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Science. I recently enrolled myself in Masters in English from IGNOU, and I am married. I have a baby, and I'm working on my spoken English. And I recently started having conversational videos and uploading those videos on my YouTube channel. And my hobbies are I love to reading books, watching movies, and listening to music. That's all about myself.
Okay, wonderful actually. So
You are from Mumbai, right?
yeah.
You are from there only, or you are from for there like for working purpose?
So actually, I born in saying, so I born in Telangana, which is other state, and I brought up in like I did like my college, my schools, and my job, everything in the state, the city that I'm living in, Mumbai, and the state which is Maharashtra. Okay, just I born in that other state, but I brought up and everything I did in Mumbai, Maharashtra itself.
Okay, so you have been working since 9 years, right? You must
Yeah.
have a lot of working experience. So you
So
are working. You are a software engineer.
yeah, I'm a software engineer. In that, I'm actually a web developer, senior software engineer right now. Okay, where I do the front end as well as back end. I'm just like a full stack developer. Okay,
I
where
don't have a lot of knowledge about it, to be honest.
okay.
Yeah.
So no worries about that. Actually, so do you visit any kind of websites, right? Anything like you also purchase something from the online, right? So we build that application especially as a software engineer. So we write the code such a way that the computer will understand and it will translate to the like human beings to understand that thing. Okay.
So, so have you built any app or any game just for fun?
I've built in the initial days, like when I was joined into the first organization, like that time I was too much excited, okay, to build a lot of things. I built so many things, but right now I'm working for other organization, right, where they have a client specially, so I'm working for them. Yeah.
So how do you manage your work and you are like you are recording sessions and you are on YouTube as well. So how do you manage this?
So to manage things, especially like I'm as a working professional, most of the time I spend on Monday to Friday on like office, like every like most of the time, and I get weekends off Saturday, Sunday, and in that also I need to plan with my like different groups, like especially my friends, and apart from that, like I am delegating my video editing part, which is like take use lot of time to edit the video, right? I'm delegating that video editing to my one of my friend to edit the video, and because of that I'm getting a lot of time. And apart from that, like I'm sacrificing something on the like spending some time with the family. Okay,
Yes.
and like where previously I was spending like 3 to 4 hours, right now I'm spending like 2 hours like that. Okay, and apart from that, like I want to build that YouTube channel, okay, as a hobby right now. Okay, so because of that I'm more focused on the YouTube journey. And apart from that, like so if you want to build something, I believe you also know that we have to sacrifice something, otherwise we will
Exactly.
not get that much, right?
Yes, but the best thing is that you are taking help for edit videos because I think recording the session is not that much tough as it is to edit the video. It is very time consuming. For me, it is very difficult and I don't like editing part at all. I feel it is very difficult and boring as well. But I have to do because I don't have anyone with whom I can take the help of. So yes.
Absolutely. And also you are a like housewife and you are having a kid and you have to manage your family and it's
Exactly.
big inspiration to all the housewives, especially. Also, you are running a YouTube channel, and I believe you will felt very difficult to manage all those things, especially in compared to me.
Yes, but nowadays I can see there are a lot of housewives on YouTube who are doing so great, and I get inspiration after watching those women out there. So that's how I started my YouTube channel after watching those videos and women's on YouTube. So yes, and one more thing, do you live with your parents?
Yeah, I live with my parents. Yeah.
Yes, but because you are more focused towards YouTube, so that's why you are not getting time to spend with them.
Yeah.
Tell me something about because nowadays AI is everyone hearing a lot of things about AI. So because you are a software engineer, so can you tell me something about AI, like what AI exactly is, and do you take help in your
Yeah,
work?
absolutely. I take a help on the YouTube as well as on the like whatever the things that I have to. Okay, I take the AI help specially where before AI I used to spend like 2 to 3 days to fix specific problem. Okay, in programming, and like after AI I used to like that AI tool itself helped me to improve my productivity where I was spending 4 days, right? Right now I'm spending like 1 2 days to build the like applications or fix some kind of specific bugs in the application. Okay. So that kind of productivity helped me to boost in my day-to-day activities. And apart from that, I believe in the chat GPT, like this is the most famous tool, AI tool, and there is other famous AI tools as well. But if you use ChatGPT every single day, whether like on improving communication skills, you can also do that. Like I am improving my communication skills with the ChatGPT. Like we have the audio conversation over there. We can have the like
Harish,
one-to-one conversation as well. The role play, and there is a lot of things we can do with the ChatGPT.
exactly. So have you ever worked any AI on your workplace?
No, I have not worked on especially on the AI tool, but I used AI tools to get my work to be done.
Okay, okay, that's amazing. I think now everyone is using AI, and it has some good benefit of ours. And what do you think? Like it has only, but how can I say this?
Okay, so you are saying like, is there any harm in the future, right? So so there is like everything has like positive as well as negative points. So it depends on like how you will tackle. So we have to upgrade our skills based on the market situation. So then only we will be able to like handle the situation, especially in future as well. So that's the concern that I would like to advise to all the audience who are watching this video. We have to upgrade our skills as per the market. Then you will be more relevant skills in the market. So you will be better positioned to like get hired to the other person. Then you will be able to get the jobs as well. So make sure you will be upgrade your skills as per the market situation. Then you will not feel like I lost you. I will not get the job, and you will not feel that kind of hesitation. But due to the AI, it's easy to like get the job done. Okay, so you will not feel that hesitation as well, and you will not feel that underconfident.
Yes, yes, that's right. But and a lot of people are saying that AI can took over software engineering jobs. So do you think that as well?
It will take away, but sometimes I think the human touch and the kind of things we do, right? So as a you AI also we have to give the prompts to the AI tools specially, right? So for that we will require at any cost. So
Yes.
I don't think so it will reduce the number of jobs, but not like that it will be completely like remove software engineers. And we will see in the future as well what will happen. Okay, and people are using, there might be some kind of things that will happen in the future as well. There might be some alternatives will come and we will go in that direction and like that.
But then we should know how to use AI because
Yeah.
it's AI. And yes, so anything to ask me?
Yeah, so you mentioned like you're doing a master's in English, right?
Yes, I recently enrolled myself. I haven't given any exam yet.
Okay, so may I know what kind of degree that you are doing?
in the English literature.
Okay, in English literature. So may I know your future goals as well?
Definitely, I am thinking to become a teacher of English language. Yes, that's my goal. But currently, because I have a baby, so I cannot focus only on my like studies. So I have some responsibilities as well. But first, I will pursue masters, and then I will figure it out. What should I do next? But the main purpose is to become a teacher.
Okay, got it. So I believe you will be become teacher. The way you are talking right now, we are having the conversation. You are speaking naturally as well, and you are confident as well. Okay, but if you give more conversation, then you will feel more confident, and you will bombard with a lot of questions to the other person as well. Okay.
Definitely. Actually, I had the thing that I am very scared to hold a conversation because I'm new to this entire thing, like having a conversation with various people. So I don't know what kind of questions I should ask, and I like sometimes I feel like what if I will get stuck in the middle of the video and all these things. But I'm trying to improve this thing day by day.
Yeah, you will definitely improve. And the one more important thing, like you are started, you took that first step. That's the biggest thing that you have did in your life. And so after first step, everything will be like on the journey where you will learn, like while having the conversation itself. Okay, the more the videos you record yourself, and you will feel like these kind of questions I will ask to the other person, and you can like pick up the one point, like from, let's say I'm mentioned like I'm a software engineer. You have asked some good questions on the software engineer field, and then from software, then you have picked the AI tools. Then like you have connected all the dots, like that only you can like ask the questions relevant on the like whatever the comment that I've shared.
Yes. And so one more thing I want to know about you that how did you jump into the YouTube thing like you were doing already good in your work? So how did you start YouTube and
So you also mentioned you took the inspiration from the housewives, right? Where they are also doing wonders in the YouTube. Okay, because I also took the inspiration from them, especially because they have plenty of things on their plate on day-to-day activities,
that?
okay? Like they have to manage family, and there is a lot of things, especially if I mention. And if they are doing that, I can also do that because I'm just doing a job. Okay, and apart from that, I have nothing to do, like hang out with friends and love traveling. And apart from that, I am also getting a free time where I'm doing a procrastinating of using a lot of social media. Okay, where I'm completely lost in that. I felt like, dude, what I'm doing in my life? Okay, I'm just seeing all the other people are achieving some good things. They are buying some good materialistic things for their life, and they are achieving something in their life, like they are upgrading themselves and like that. So I also felt like I'm lacking in my communication skills to build that communication skills. So I tried, this is the best platform. Okay, where
Yes.
the opposite person is also like me also, they are not that expert, they are also learning, I'm also learning. So I thought, so let's create the channel.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
And I think it is a great way to improve your communication skills.
Absolutely. Yeah. And also, like, we can document our journey as well. Like, if you check the first video of your channel as well, like, first video, it's always memorable for us, right?
Yes, you get embarrassed a lot. Like I started the YouTube channel in June. It is going to be 1 year, but for 6 months I was not uploading in the
Okay.
middle of that. But when I started that time, I was making solo videos only, and before that, I was very camera shy person. I used to hate my voice in the recordings or videos. But after recording my videos, I get used to it to listen my voice. So now I don't hate it at all. But before that, I used to be very camera shy, and now I'm comfortable speaking in front of camera and having a conversation with others. So I think it is a great way to improve yourself if you, especially when you cannot go outside, like
Hmm.
for housewives. And there are a lot of people like you are working, and then you are sometimes you don't get time to go outside and to have conversation with so many people. So it is a great way to improve your communication skills, right?
Absolutely, because you are in the work, and whenever you get free time, you can have a conversation with a lot of co-learners as well. So it's very difficult to manage the time, especially because if you allocate some time and you will not be available because of your family situation and everything. But if you are in the home and you can manage these things like YouTube as well as the conversation whenever you have get a free time. That's the biggest advantage we get as a YouTuber, especially.
Exactly. And the best thing is that the other person is also very genuine to learn something. It is not just nobody is here to waste their time. Everyone is here to learn something. So this is the best thing. You can get a genuine partner who really wants to learn something.
Absolutely, Akansha. Actually, you are learning from last 5 years, like last 1 year, sorry, my bad. And I am also new to this YouTube journey, and like 5 months back only I've started the channel. Okay.
Are you a regular like do you
No,
upload?
no, I don't upload on day-to-day basis. Like it's take a lot of time to upload every single video on each day. I don't know. Some people used to manage that, but I'm not that much into like every single day I upload alternate days on my YouTube channel.
Exactly. I am also I told you I started in June, but after that I took a break for 6 months due to some family reasons. I wasn't able to focus on English and focus on YouTube as well. But then after that, I started. I think 1 month ago, I restarted it again, and now I'm trying to be consistent. But sometimes, like if I'm not feeling well, if I got sick, that time I am not able to manage. But otherwise, I try my best to be able to have a conversation regularly and to try at least 2 or 3 days on YouTube.
So I used to do like record like entire like for entire week I used to record in 1 day like 3 to 4 sessions, and I upload that videos in alternate days. So like that I'm managing. So you can take that help like tip from me as well. Like dedicate like 3 to 4 hours for the YouTube where you can record all the videos at one go, and then you
Yes,
can edit those videos in like whenever you get free time during the week.
that's true, but it might be considered tough because I only record my sessions when my baby is sleeping and she usually sleeps for 2 hours. And that time I have to do my other stuffs as well. So it becomes a bit difficult because she is a toddler and I have to be with her every time. I cannot leave her alone. So that is the reason.
Absolutely, because family's priority is first, then other things is the second thing, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I think if you have anything to ask me,
No, no, actually we are almost covered with like we are almost talked with more than 20 minutes. And do let
it was really nice talking to you and thank you so much for joining.
and it's really nice talking with you as well and giving me a wonderful opportunity once again on your YouTube channel. And please subscribe to Akansha YouTube channel and keep supporting us, guys. And thank
Yes,
you. We will meet some other time as well.
bye.